I already made my X cuff. Just a really basic X cuff pattern, just one layer. I wanted it to be cute and small. I'm not going to be putting a perler on here. I'm actually going to be putting this cute little donut. So I wanted to do like just something small, you know, fun for trading, and then figure some quirky, you know, statement out to put on there. So I'm just going to take my cord, and I like to not connect all of this to the bracelet, like to the actual string, because if one thing in the base of the component breaks, then it's all broken from there. And so I'm tying my string on my bracelet like 20 billion times because I'm overly paranoid. I'm also using string from Michael's that I've never used before, so I don't know how well it performs, but we're gonna give her a go. I decided to use these pearlized pink beads to sort of mimic like a glazed donut. Getting close. Let me just try and tighten some of this. Oh yeah, here we go. We'll be good. And done. I'm just gonna take it under here and loop her around town. I always do this to like soften it up and like stretch out the bead cord as equally as I can. It's also kind of like a durability test. I really like how this came out. I kind of feel like this donut doesn't really match, so I might actually use the white one. Oh yeah. Oh, or I have a chocolate. Emily, I need your opinion. White?
Use the pink one.
Or pink?
Pink.
Well, which one looks better?
Put the white again. The white one, actually.
There's also chocolate.
No, do white. For sure.
Okay. Thanks. Cool. I'm gonna leave this out. And then what I'm gonna do is actually poke holes in this. Now, how we're gonna get this through, that's a whole nother discussion. Okay, that's tight enough. I'm just gonna cut off my extra string. Now she's on there nice and tight. Okay, this is what I have. You can kind of like see the knot, which I don't really like. Like, I'm not living for that knot. But, I mean, it's cute. I want to do something fun with this, so we're not quite done yet. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. While I took a break, I thought about what I wanted my bracelet to say, and it's gonna say, "Do not stop the base." But like, donut stop the base. Cute, right? So original. So if we knot it enough, the knot will just get big enough to just hold it. So that's just what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep knotting it until it's just big enough to hold. Okay, I think that that is good. Yeah, that looks good to me. Actually just gonna look and see what it looked like if I just made it say do nut, like do nut, but donut. See if I can get stop. That's 4. I did it, you guys. Oh yes, and I do like that better. Do nut. That is cute. Okay, I'm so dead. And then I like the pink, and this one's gold. Oh, yes, this is all just working. And then pink and gold on the end, and voila, let's knot her up and finish this bracelet. Okay guys, here's the finished product. I am so happy with how this came out because I've like really been looking forward to using these donut bracelets. So as you can see, it just says do nut, but donut, 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 stop the base. Are my S's the right way? Okay, good. And then like when you move, and like fringe is so trendy. So like you'll be on trend and you'll just be wilding out. Whee! This is so cute. I cannot wait to trade it. I'm so excited for EDC this year. Hopefully I'll get to trade it there. But anyway, here, let me move this so she can have her own moment. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see when I make new videos. I'm gonna be posting a lot more festival videos because that's really what I've been wanting to do lately. So I'm just gonna listen to my instincts. She is one more time. And thank you all so much for watching. See you later.